welcome to Grilling with Shane, where I will talk you through the best of Weber, from charcoal, gas and pellet barbecues. I will also go through some accessories that will raise the bar when it comes to quality grilling. Chicken is so easy to get right with the Weber Poultry Roaster.
So we have here today the MasterTouch. The MasterTouch is a charcoal barbecue, so you can either use briquettes or lumpwood. So it's your general kind of barbecue, which quite a lot of us know today. So what we have here is a 57cm grill. So inside today I have a nice chicken going on.
Don't forget to team it up with the Weber Connect Hub for precision grilling, which I will discuss in more detail later.
So we have the one touch system, which comes with three hubs. So what you've got is an opening which has the vents at the bottom fully open. What that allows is as much oxygen to go into the barbecue just to kind of get the briquettes or lumpwood to good heat. Then what you have then next is where the vent closes up and it leaves enough of a gap in there to allow a little bit of oxygen. Normally you use this when you're smoking food, so ribs, brisket, everything like that. And then afterwards, once you're done, you can completely close it. So you can adjust the function of the MasterTouch and the airflow and everything from the bottom, and also as well from the top with your vent at the top there as well.
The MasterTouch's air catcher feature is simple to use and cuts out the hassle when it comes to cleaning. Turn the top handle back and forth to activate the 3-blade system, which will clean the ash from previous cooking. I always use the Weber Connect Hub when cooking. This is so I know when the barbecue is fired up to the right optimum temperature for safe grilling.
So as well with the MasterTouches, they do come with this fire grill or Weber Connect holder. So with these you can buy your Weber Connect or iGrill. What these are is devices that you can connect to your phone, and then with that you can actually keep an eye on your temperature from the comfort of your own home.
The Weber Connect app works on most Android and iPhone devices. The other features include smoke boost for packing extra flavour into your dish and barbecue shutdown feature, allowing you to safely turn off your barbecue from a distance. The Poultry Roaster is part of the interchangeable gourmet barbecue system and is a must for anyone who wants to enhance the flavours through grilling. To get the most out of your roaster, add your size as your bird cooks.
What I've been using is the Weber Poultry Roaster. With this you can have whatever in the middle, so you can have a nice beer, you can have Coke, or you can have apple juice of some sort. So what you'll do is you'll put that in the middle and then you'll put your chicken on. And what that does is while the chicken is cooking, that will keep it nice and moist, and you'll have really juicy chicken at the end.
Check out the rest of the interchangeable gourmet barbecue system accessories in store for inspired grilling. The key to great grilling on a charcoal barbecue is red hot charcoals, and that's why the Weber Rapid Fire Chimney Starter is an essential bit of kit.
One of the tools I've been using today is this Weber Chimney Starter. They come in two sizes, so they come in this size and they also come in a slightly smaller size. I use these all the time. I find them a really good buy and an add-on to any barbecue, charcoal barbecue purchase.
Simply fill the chimney starter with the charcoal, then place over a lit fire lighter. The conical shape speeds up the heating process, then you're ready to pour into your barbecue.
Yeah, it cuts the time by half, then you're good to go. So one of these.
Discover the Weber MasterTouch and more at Weber World in Horningsea.